Hi. So today, really quick video. I am stuck. Yep, stuck in my course of JavaScript, LinkedIn essential JavaScript course. Something is not working with my exercise files, and I'm trying to create a sort of objects, building them from the classes, the templates I'm supposed to be doing before. But something is wrong with the exercise files, and I can check in the console in the browser how my coding is working, because the error comes from the very beginning. So it's something like there's something wrong in the HTML file from the exercise files. Anyway, thing is, I'm stuck, and it's just like there's a roadblock there. I've been trying to sort it for nearly a couple of hours now, and I don't get it. So shit. Now I'm gonna go back home and try again.